The biggest issue with the health system is the lack of evaluation. Evaluation means catching the real root, meaning finding that thing which actually caused this issue. Because whenever you only treat the symptom, the real issue stays hidden, and the treatment keeps getting prolonged. For example, take a simple symptom like fatigue. Let's dive into it a bit. Let's see what this issue really is. The first thing I do is check when this fatigue started. What happened with you a little before that? Now, with fatigue, usually two big situations are connected. Either you're not sleeping, so you're getting tired, or you're sleeping but still feeling fatigued. Generally, the biggest reason for fatigue is lack of sleep. You're not sleeping, but this itself is a symptom of something else that's causing the lack of sleep. We shouldn't fix this issue with some energy drink or by taking a sleeping pill. We need to see what's actually behind it. Now I'll show you some real reasons why people can't sleep. The first reason is stress. Maybe your stress glands or adrenal glands are exhausted. I've seen many people who quit smoking 20 years ago, but because the body was so dependent on nicotine, quitting it caused stress on the heart. Because nicotine artificially opens the coronary artery of the heart, which makes you relaxed. Breathing works better. But when you quit it after many years, the heart couldn't adapt, it got tired, it became weak. So I've seen many people who just from quitting smoking went into stress. Neither could they sleep, nor did they have any energy left. It could also be that there's some other issue in the body, like back pain or neck pain, because of which you can't lie down comfortably, or maybe hot flashes, especially in women, which also ruin sleep. Or perhaps the issue is sinusitis, which has reached the level of sleep apnea, and now you're treating sleep apnea. You're only treating that level. But the question is, why does sinusitis happen? Let's dive a bit deeper into this. Now, what's the root of sinusitis? Why do mucous membranes get thick? What's the reason for inflammation? Often, the reason is a deficiency of vitamin A, and sometimes the issue isn't just a deficiency of vitamin A, but that the gallbladder isn't producing enough bile, and when bile production is low, the body can't digest the vitamin A present in the diet. So no matter how healthy you're eating, the body can't absorb it. Now look at the other side. Sometimes adrenal glands work so hard under stress that the cortisol hormone in the body becomes too high. This high cortisol weakens the nerves at the back of the neck. Nerve atrophy happens. And these are the nerves that control the function of mucous membranes. They carry signals to them, so control is lost. Sinuses swell up. That's why people with adrenal problems often have sinusitis issues too. And the interesting thing is that sinusitis is treated with steroids, which are actually adrenal hormones. So you can see how deep this connection is, and it could also be an issue of allergies. Then the question is, why do allergies happen? The real reason is weak adrenal glands. We're now peeling this layer by layer, and sometimes the reason is nutritional too. Vitamin deficiencies or low potassium levels. And this happens because we eat fewer vegetables. Or we eat things that increase sugar too much. The sugar is so high that it pushes potassium out. So on one hand, fewer vegetables, and on the other, too many sugar-increasing things. Sometimes the issue is a calcium deficiency too. How? Because we eat too much junk food. And this fast food eats up both calcium and B vitamins. Fast food includes bread, biscuits, things made from refined flour, fried things in oil, all these things. The result is that B vitamins get depleted from the body, and then come drowsiness and nightmares because of this, and sleep vanishes. B vitamins make sleep deeper, but things like junk food destroy them. So these are the factors I always look at. Sometimes the issue is environmental. Your bed isn't flat. It's sunken inward. The surface isn't flat. Or maybe there's noise coming from outside. Or perhaps your husband is snoring. So these are the real reasons that need to be looked at. Okay. Now, for example, you're sleeping properly but still getting tired. So could the issue be with the thyroid? Why does this happen? Let's see. Maybe estrogen levels are high during periods or because of fibroids, or maybe during pregnancy, estrogen spiked, which suppressed the thyroid. Hypothyroidism happened, and then sleep disappeared. So these are all the things we need to understand deeply. We need to have a deep understanding of them. Not just on the surface. Sometimes the issue is with the liver. You might not know this, but the thyroid has a direct connection with the liver. The liver converts thyroid hormones, and this process happens through the gallbladder. So if your liver isn't okay, or your gallbladder has been removed, these hormones don't get converted. Result: fatigue in the body, and zero energy. These things aren't as simple as they seem. In reality, this system is very deep, and sometimes the issue is a virus that suddenly comes out of remission. It happens that whenever the body goes through stress, like the stress of a loved one's death or any big emotional event, at that moment, the body's defense system gets suppressed. Stress happens, and this hidden virus becomes active again, and your illness comes back. Some people are light sleepers because their adrenal glands are so overstressed that the body can't go into deep sleep. The body can't relax. So these are all the layers we've unfolded one by one today. The first thing to remember is never to consider the symptom as the real problem. Understand the difference between symptoms and root causes, cause and effect, and always ask why this is happening. I hope this video proves beneficial for you. We'll meet in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.